Hey, good morning everybody, this is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash, back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Town and Country, Florida. We're here for a house wash. This was a referral customer from one of my friends. Nothing crazy about it, just a little townhouse we're gonna be doing. We're also gonna be doing their driveway. We're probably gonna try to see if the neighbors wanna get it done. You know, I'm right next door anyway. I'm doing half of the building, so it's a good practice just to ask the neighbors if they want theirs clean, because it's gonna look different. Major difference. So let me show you guys what we got going on. This is the unit here. We're gonna be doing the unit to the left. See, it's a lot of green on the windows, a lot of green down here. This is the neighbor's side, so hopefully they want to do it. So I'm gonna be splitting this right in the middle. We're gonna be downstreaming our mix today. Our SH mix that should get all this cleaned up is vinyl. You know, vinyl, all you need is about 1 to 2% to get vinyl cleaned up. Got a lot of dirty windows. The windows are dirty up there. Get that cleaned up. This is the driveway here, and they do have a porch in the back I'm gonna be cleaning. This is the top porch we're gonna be doing. You got some dirty gutters. We're gonna soft wash all this. Look, they got some algae down there, nothing crazy. All right, we're gonna start downstreaming the lanai down here first. As I told you guys, we're only washing half. So this is the half we're gonna wash. Got some. Is that door closed? Is your sliding glass door closed?
Sorry.
I just noticed that.
Yeah, no, I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Had to make sure that door is closed, man. Look at this. I ain't even get the rinse yet. Downstream mix is working really good already. First story sprayed up down here, the porch area, inside and out. I'm gonna continue working my way. I'm gonna step up this side here, come back and do this side over here last. So we downstreamed the whole house. We still gotta go up top and knock out the top patio. I'm gonna go ahead and downstream the driveway, let that sit while I'm doing that. So you know what I'm saying, when I come back, I can just surface clean it. Alright, get my mix. Been about maybe 2 minutes, and you can tell already it's melting like butter. Alright, I'm gonna turn my injector off so I can get some clean water so I can start rinsing. I'm gonna start rinsing from up here first after I give it a little bit of dwell time. Downstairs ready to rinse, but I'm not trying to climb back up here. Work your way up to down. Oh, look at that thing, man. Look at that. All right, let's go turn the injector off so we can start rinsing. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys. We're all done with the project here. Nice little townhouse wash. The gutters came out good. Top and bottom. Balcony cleaned up. Lanai cleaned up. Look like glass. Show you guys the sides. Driveway cleaned up. Cleaned up the windows. Yes, sir. You need to call me soon. Look at this. Give me a call. Take care of you. Alright, guys, we're all done for the day, man. One job today. Didn't have that much planned. Gonna hang out with my son, you know what I'm saying, half of the day. That man about to break my pockets, y'all. Everything I just earned is about to be spent. I appreciate y'all checking the videos out, man. Thank you for all the support. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all stay tuned, man. Peace.